Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio Duro watch model Mdv-107-1A3Vef. Let's get started. Casio Duro Pepsi watch, a classic timepiece for every adventure. Welcome to our in-depth review of the Casio Duro Pepsi watch, model Mdv-107. In this video, we'll explore why this timepiece has become a favorite among watch enthusiasts and adventurers alike. The Casio Duro watch boasts a classic diver's watch design with a durable and robust construction. Its stainless steel case and bracelet provide both style and sturdiness, making it suitable for any occasion, whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean or attending a formal event. The iconic Pepsi bezel adds a pop of color and character to the watch, reminiscent of vintage divers' watches. One of the standout features of the Casio Duro watch is its impressive water resistance of up to 200 meters. This makes it an ideal companion for underwater adventures, allowing you to explore the ocean depths with confidence. Whether you're snorkeling, swimming, or diving, this watch will keep ticking, ensuring you never lose track of time, even in the harshest conditions. Powered by a reliable quartz movement, the Casio Duro watch delivers accurate timekeeping without the need for frequent adjustments. This ensures that you can rely on your watch to keep pace with your busy lifestyle, whether you're on land or at sea. The quartz movement also contributes to the watch's affordability, making it accessible to a wide range of enthusiasts. Equipped with luminous hands and markers, the Casio Duro watch ensures readability in low-light conditions. The bright and long-lasting lume provides excellent visibility, allowing you to easily tell the time, even in the dark depths of the ocean. This feature enhances the watch's functionality and practicality, making it suitable for adventurous night dives or camping trips under the stars. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor activities, the Casio Duro watch is designed to be tough and resilient. Its scratch-resistant mineral crystal protects the dial from scratches and impacts, ensuring that your watch remains looking pristine for years to come. Additionally, the screw-down crown and case back provide an extra layer of protection against water intrusion, further enhancing the watch's durability. In conclusion, the Casio Duro watch Mdv-107 is a versatile and reliable timepiece that combines classic design with modern functionality. Whether you're a seasoned diver, an outdoor enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates a well-crafted watch, the Duro Pepsi watch is sure to impress. With its durable construction, water resistance, accurate movement, and luminous display, it's the perfect companion for any adventure. So why wait? Add this iconic timepiece to your collection today and embark on your next journey with style and confidence. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. The watch band can be easily changed. You can put a metal or leather one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.